Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install LTSpice in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google LTSpice download. You'll be getting the link from analog.com. Click that, and if you just scroll down, you'll be having the latest version for Windows. Click here and the download will be getting started. So once the download is complete, just open it and you'll be getting the setup. Click on next and I agree, next, and you can just read it through, next, and you can just change it. This is up to you. You can keep it all users. In my case, I am the only user, so I'll just go with only for me, next. And this is a location where LTSpice is going to get installed. If you want to change this, you can change it. So I will just change it now. So I have just changed the path for me, next. Just click on yes and just click on install. Once the setup is complete, you can just check this, launch LTSpice, and click on finish. So just click on no for this, and no, do not use my data. Okay, and that's it. We'll be getting the LTSpice interface over here, and I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.